Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated Class B is the new market analysis. ISIN US 08467077026. Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated is a diversified holding company with a portfolio of investments in many different industries, including insurance, energy, aerospace, rail, and financial. The company is run by Warren Buffett, one of the most famous investors of all time, who has built his reputation through a series of forward-thinking investments and strategic acquisition choices. With a wide economic moat, Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated is a highly profitable and diversified financial company similar to an ETF or mutual fund that is traded as a stock. With various business units, one of its most profitable includes insurance, which accounts for 20% of Berkshire's pre-tax profits and contains the famous insurer GEICO. With a broad portfolio of proprietary equity investments, BRK can use insurance premiums in advance of future claims to invest in markets and other areas that have allowed it to generate underwriting earnings for several decades. With the growth of auto insurance and GEICO as one of the biggest premium generators for Berkshire, as insurance transitions to an agentless business model focused primarily online, the company has been able to save costs and increase profitability. Over the past 20 years, Berkshire Hathaway has achieved strong profitability in the insurance industry thanks partly to its subsidiary BH Primary Group, which offers a wide range of specialized insurance policies. These policies include lines focused on healthcare, medical negligence, worker compensation, and other specialized areas. Due to the rarity of such policies and their specialized features, BHPG is able to charge high premiums, which results in large premium investments that can offset any losses caused by claims that occur. In addition, Berkshire Hathaway is a very diversified company, with operations in real estate, rail, manufacturing, and many other areas. This diversification allows the company to have a solid perspective, even in the event of market fluctuations in a certain area. BPG's strong profitability and Berkshire Hathaway's diversification are largely attributable to the leadership of Warren Buffett, who has built a moat around the company through his philosophy of long-term investment and conscious choice of operations in which to invest. All this has helped make Berkshire Hathaway a very desirable title with a premium over its intrinsic value. Valuation of Berkshire Hathaway shares. A stock's past performance is not always indicative of future performance. However, although the stock price of BRK has decreased by 2% in the last year, at the time of signing this recommendation, and the share price return over the long term is very positive, with an increase of 87% in 3 years and 66% in 5 years. These are positive results that suggest efficient business management and a good long-term outlook for the company. It is important to note that the current valuation of the stock is cheap but not very discounted. This may indicate a possible risk for investors considering buying these shares with the intention of holding them for a short period of time. However, if you take into account the quality of BRK's activities, and its bullish momentum, buying these shares could still be a smart choice for a medium to long-term portfolio. As with any investment, it is important to consider your investment objectives and your risk profile and make a comprehensive assessment of the company before making an investment decision. On a quarterly basis, the BRK breaks above the industry median, and as momentum improves, investors have the opportunity to buy shares more actively, as the hope for stronger economic growth benefits the company's growth and profitability. Growth and profitability of Berkshire Hathaway shares. Boasting large equity holdings that include tech giant Apple Incorporated, AAPL, and financial firms such as American Express Company, AXP, Bank of America Corporation, BAC, and US Bancorp, USB. Warren Buffett has shown strong confidence in the banking sector, stating on several occasions that he feels very good about the banks we own. They're very attractive compared to most other stocks I see, and it's much better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price, Buffett told CNBC. Despite a lack of earnings in the fourth quarter, this was generally in line with expectations. Berkshire's investment and derivatives portfolios declined 17.6% from $112.4 billion to $92.6 billion from a year earlier. Despite the loss, profitability is still exceptional. evidenced by $37.2 billion of cash from available operations, and $2.6 billion were used to buy back Berkshire shares in the fourth quarter, totaling $7.9 billion at the end of 2022. Despite a challenging macroeconomic environment amid a banking crisis, Berkshire Hathaway's strong portfolio still allows it to rank among the best financials in the world. Conclusion: Berkshire is designed to make money regardless of what the economy or stock market is doing. It owns more than 60 subsidiaries, most of which are recession-resistant, and generates billions in reliable cash flows that can then be invested in acquisitions or other opportunities that arise. In addition, Berkshire has a portfolio of stocks worth more than $300 billion and includes dozens of top-notch companies, including, as mentioned above, large holdings in Apple, Bank of America, American Express Company, U.S. Bancorp, Chevron, and more. In fact, Berkshire Hathaway is probably one of the best-positioned companies in the United States to take advantage of tough times. It has $129 billion in cash and short-term investments on its balance sheet, which gives it considerable financial flexibility to take advantage of low-cost investment opportunities that may emerge during times of economic crisis. Stock volatility. 5. I hope you like this new analysis video. In that case, I invite you to subscribe and put a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.